Okay, so logo creation. We're onto the business branding page. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. Now, I began on my journey about 5-6 years ago to be, well, I started out being I was a t-shirt. I had a t-shirt printing business. I needed a logo creating. I went to a fella, a very nice guy, very talented graphic designer. I paid him 60 quid to build me a logo. And I thought afterwards, why have I just paid this guy 60 quid to build me a logo? That was where I got allergies to overheads. That's where they began. And so I downloaded Adobe Illustrator, that's hard to say, even hard to use really. And then Photoshop. There we go. I had to force that one out. But then we downloaded Photoshop and we started working on Photoshop. That was about 5-6 years ago. I really enjoy what I do with regards to the Photoshop. I really enjoy building logos, and it all starts with the branding. It's really important with regards to the branding. It all starts there. I'll always start with the logo and I'll make sure you're happy with the way the logo looks. If you haven't already got one, then the rest of the branding follows on. Yeah, if you want to have a look at the portfolio, we've got a little button next to us, just click on that. And then we do offer social media branding as well, which would be like your social banners, social posts, that sort of thing. If you want to have a look at them, check out the portfolio. There's a button at the bottom and you can get across. Cheers, bye.